Kansas.
Kansas, baby. Kansas.
Land of cornfields and wheat fields and soybean fields. And turkeys, hopefully.
And wind.
We ain't got no wind today. We're gonna go check on some things. See about turkeys around here.
Thanks to our good friend Gup.
Good friend Gup showed us around this morning and told us where some turkeys he had been seeing were. And we actually seen some, didn't we?
Yes, we did.
We'll go check on them.
See if we can come up with it.
It's a rarity to not have wind in Kansas, so I mean literally it's like dead calm.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go see if we can hear one. We might be able to strike them up and not have to hunt with our eyeballs today. Be a big advantage.
Stay tuned.
I'm about to get right behind you. Hurry. Hurry, he's right there. Just stay down. Oh, he's coming.
Is he?
Yeah.
He's close.
He's closer.
I was moving. Sound like he was to the left, wasn't he?
Coming closer.
Really?
Like you better be paying attention.
Damn.
And quit leaning.
Get your gun ready.
Huh?
I said, get your gun ready.
I thought you were shooting.
It don't matter, get it up. I got a perfect angle for you.
For me?
Yeah. What's that?
So it's got a perfect angle for me.
Oh, right there he is.
Where?
Hang on.
Where?
He's coming.
Where is he?
It's gonna be directly in front of you.
To the left of this tree. To the left of this pine tree.
Hang on, it looks like he's gonna go to the right now.
How far?
He's like 50 yards now.
50?
Yeah, dude, he's gonna come right to us.
To the right or left?
Right.
Don't move, Hunter.
Yeah, he's coming to the right. There he comes.
I can't see.
Hang on. Hang on. He's about to pop out.
Where?
He's about to come out. Hang on.
I can't see him.
Hang on. He's coming.
Hold on.
Wait for him. Trust me. Just trust me.
What? I can't see him.
Trust me. Here he comes.
Okay, I got him. You got him, Dwayne?
No. Give me 2 more steps. Let him come right out.
I'm gonna have to kill him.
No, you're good. I don't see him. Hang on. Just be patient. Trust me.
Tell me when, Dwayne.
We're still on scene.
I gotta kill him. I gotta kill him. You good? Dwayne.
Kill him. What happened?
My gun. Hell yeah, we killed him.
Huh? What?
Did you get him?
Huh?
Did you get him?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got it.
What happened?
He's my gun.
No.
You ain't mad, are you?
Huh?
You ain't mad, are you? I mean, Well, give me some.
I'm hung in the bushes. Hold on. I was on him.
That was so pretty.
Huh?
That was so pretty.
What happened?
My gun clicked.
Really?
Yeah. Dude, I was sitting there holding it on him. And I was like, alright, I gotta kill him. Click.
Did you see him at all?
Me?
Yeah.
I had to creep up at the last minute.
Dude, I could have killed him if you hadn't have shot.
Really?
Cause I went and I was like, and you done killed him.
Well, hell, I didn't know.
Help me find my hole or my shell. I was right here and I went, damn.
I wonder what.
God, he came in on a string.
Dude, that was perfect.
He came in on a
Dude, that
string.
tree had me so screwed. I was sitting there just holding it on his head.
Let me go get my. Look for that hole.
Put that on the camera.
Huh?
Right here. I'm sorry. We had a good shot. And the Benelli strikes again.
Vanelli Click claims another victim. I just barely.
I can't believe that, dude.
I can't.
That'd have been perfect.
Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, son. Oh.
How's that for a Kansas person?
Dude, he hammered.
He did. Yeah, take that.
He freaking hammered.
That happened so fast. Very fast. Here, I'll take that.
I wasn't trying to shoot, but all I heard was click, and I'm like, God dang it.
Yeah, that was a screw up. Huh? Reckon how my gun done that.
I don't know.
Look at them tail feathers, fella.
That's a pretty bird. On the board in Kansas, it didn't take long. We on a roll, boys. A roll. Let's get a little rundown. We didn't do no post-hunt interview because we're gonna go get on another one. If I was a betting man.
We made it almost about all the way around the property here. And we
Killer
were
back there.
working our way up the road back towards the truck. Ideally in the direction of where the turkeys have historically been. Hunter hits him with the glass call. Turkey hammered. Well, wasn't just a few minutes and he was flopping. Here he come on a string.
Didn't take long.
And we also had another one of those awesome Benelli moments
Yeah.
where your gun doesn't fire, it just kind of clicks instead of shoots.
Isaac was supposed to kill that one, but
Yeah.
it worked out, didn't it, Hunter?
I played cleanup.
He was on assist.
That crap happened to me in Wyoming,
Go check that video
and I
out.
got laughed at.
Why would I be
I
butthurt?
ain't butthurt.
I'm not butthurt.
I started laughing whenever I heard his gun go off because I was like, he goofed.
I told him, I said, boys, that ain't right. That's not good. I made sure that one wasn't gonna get out of there. The Benelli click didn't save him. The other Benelli took care of it.
We're gonna go find
We're
Isaac
gonna go
for
get
him.
us another. No, it ain't over yet.
That's right.
The day's still young.
We gonna try.
Stay tuned.
What a turkey. Look at him go. Look at those tail feathers.
Yeah, I know. Come
Wild,
on.
ain't it?
Do what?
That's wild.
Yeah.
He's really not even nervous, is he? Think this is the first partner he's ever seen?
No.
What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
We're gonna run back the way we come and go down there. As soon as he goes behind them cedars. Of course he's gonna go that way.
So that cedar thicket you just seen that turkey walk into, it was about 200 yards wide. And on the back side was another big cornfield that we had permission to hunt. So we had come up with a game plan to try and cut him off. And we got down in them cedars and we tried to get a pin on him, but he would not respond to anything we threw at him. He did shot gobble a couple times to a crow call, but he was real stubborn acting, which was unusual for a turkey by itself. We figured he'd be out looking for love, you know. And what surprised us even more was he just hung out in those cedars. And the closest we got was about 60 yards, but it was so thick in there we never did see him until he made his way to the second cornfield. And we threw a couple soft yelps at him from the field edge, but he did not want anything to do with us. He actually turned and ran the other direction. So we figured he'd either been messed with or he had got his butt whooped something. But that turkey did not want to tango, to say the least. And that really wrapped it up here day one in Kansas.
Well, turkeys ain't on our property. Never would have guessed that. They're like 3/4 of a mile across a dang wheat field. So we're gonna go ask for permission. Never hurts to ask.
Permission.
Never hurts to ask, right?
Never hurts to ask.
Come on. So unfortunately, the landowners weren't home, so we was SOL on that deal, and we decided to just ride around, maybe get some eyeballs on a couple of field turkeys, since we didn't hear many gobblers on the property that we could hunt. And we actually had success doing this. We went and checked out another piece, and we saw 2 toms with a couple of hens, and unfortunately, as luck would have it, they were on the side that we couldn't hunt. And they didn't have any plans of coming over to our side, crossing that road. They were just chilling, doing their thing, showing off. And we knew that the odds of pulling them across the road were very low. So we decided to check out this one last spot. And it was kind of a complicated scenario. But our good friend Gup gave us permission, but he told us to hold off until it was last resort. He had a group of 4 toms hanging out there consistently like clockwork. But he wanted to save them for a couple of youth hunters that was coming in the following weekend. But, however, he did say if they were to break off and separate, do their own thing, that we could go after them and maybe call one of those birds in on their own. And so we decided we went down there, and there they were, lo and behold, all 4 of them. And we decided to set up on the far end of the field, see if we couldn't pull one of these suckers away from the group. Oh, they both gobbled.
We can't even hear them, dude.
No. I don't know how they
Dude, they got way better hearing than we do. Surprise.
Let's just give a quick update on what we went through the past 16 hours.
Yesterday evening, as you might see in the video, we got kind of, not stuck, but we sat out in the rainstorm like an idiot.
For some lightning shots.
Not realizing that this road is a bad road to be on after it rains. Well, we got just up the road up here and went down this hill, and instead of driving down the hill, we started skiing. Well, in the midst of all that, the truck brakes decided I think it's the ABS module quit working in the truck. So currently the truck is at the shop trying to get the code fixed or whatever's wrong with it, and we're driving our buddy Gup's Jeep. And on top of that, We have yet to see a single gobbler in any field today. Period. Bar none, nothing. No gobbling, nothing.
Which is unusual.
Which is very highly unusual because there's 4 over there that should be out there like clockwork. So, that being said, all this momentum we had from this trip is slowly just pouring out of the cup. But there ain't nothing to do but keep pecking.
That's right. Wednesday, May 18th.
We got 2 days.
We got 2 days. All it takes is one.
That's right.
All it takes is one.
Well, we'll keep riding, I guess. What do you think, Dwayne?
I'm with you.
Dude,
He's getting close.
He's coming. Yeah, we kill him right here. Them 2 right there might be coming, dude. They're coming right at us. You want to try to get up there on the edge? We can. He's coming, dude.
Okay.
Guaranteed. Y'all stay tuned. It's about to get good. It's a coyote. A coyote. Yeah, stop calling. They're right here. Look at that coyote, dude.
So obviously the coyote threw a wrench in our plans here, but luckily it didn't hurt us too bad. Them 2 turkeys, they just turned and made their way back where they came from, but they stayed off the field edge, probably about 150 yards out, and just slowly pecked their way back up. So we dropped off in this creek bottom right behind us and see if we couldn't cut them off. And we eased about 300 yards or so, got ahead of them, and laid eyes on them again out in the middle of that field. So we slowly crept back up to the field edge, and with a little bit of sweet talking, I'll be danged if these 2 turkeys don't come right back in on a string.
How far is that? 80 yards?
Probably. I think so.
Got him?
Yep. Dude, give me some. Oh my gosh.
Dude, that was a hunt right there.
How about that for a little bit of teamwork?
Need to find my hole. Like right here, so.
A whammy shell, boy.
Let me still reach down and got it.
Check it out. You got the big turkey?
Yes, sir. Hey, put it there, boy. That worked out.
That was
perfect.
beautiful, dude.
Dude, you already seen him.
Huh? Heck, I started crawling. I started going. They come.
I was telling Dwayne, I was like, keep going. The further you got, and then you finally broke it, turned left.
I kept crawling. Cause I'm like, I seen him come this way. They were like on the way, and I started running through it.
Yeah.
That
Dude, I can't believe
worked
that.
out. Whenever y'all both started chiming in, that's when he.
Dude, whenever
That's
hit
when
him
he
with
made his mind up.
He couldn't take that.
I got my plate call out and stopped firing to him. Let me see before he gets in that mud.
I got him.
Dude, he's got a rope and a half on him.
He's out in the wide open. Freaking rolled over.
I haven't seen one perfect spot.
Dude, that's a dang poke.
Thank you, God. That is a turkey and a half right there, fella. Oh. Probably this would be a good place to make the book. What do y'all think?
I think so. I'm gonna start this thing off with how the last couple of days have went. We didn't give a rundown on Wyoming, but that
Wyoming was good.
that was last week. Go watch the video for that one, the Wyoming video.
It took us a few days.
But it was well
Turned out
worth
good.
it. Well worth
Yeah,
it.
it turned out super good.
Well, start off Kansas. Corn. Wheat.
Sunflowers.
flat.
Sunflowers.
And hot.
Hot. Wind.
Rain.
Rain. Thunderstorms.
Mud.
Basically, yeah. Gobbling turkeys. Cooperative turkeys.
Midday turkeys.
Yeah. As you guys have already seen, I'm sure, if you haven't, go check it out. Hunter was able to take out a fine specimen of a turkey. What was that, 3 days ago? 2 days ago.
2 days ago.
2 days ago.
First day we was here.
After my mishap. Worked out good.
The famous Benelli click struck again.
Yeah.
We've had some struggles between here and there. Like we said, thunderstorms, rain, wind, just kind of held us down a little bit. We have struggled to be on gobbling turkeys the last 2 days.
Just the last 2 days.
The last 2 days. We had a little accident with the truck. With all this rain, these Kansas mud roads become snot roads, and you no longer are driving, you're skiing.
Yeah.
Well, as luck would have it, the F-250 old, what was it?
Brake booster.
Brake booster went out. So we've been
Without brakes.
without brakes for the last 12 hours.
Yep.
Maybe a little more. With that being said, we were lucky enough to know our good buddy Gup. He loaned us a 1982 CJ7,
Thank you,
4-speed.
Gup. Thank you, Gup.
And we have been roaming around these Kansas hills, or cornfields, whatever you want to call them, for the last day in that CJ7. And we were lucky enough to come down here in this bottom and find us one. And boy, did he do it just how we wanted to end it.
We actually called him up twice.
Twice. Coyote screwed us the first time.
He got between us
Coyote
and the
decided
turkey.
he wanted to play checkers and come between us and the gobbler. And needless to say, the gobbler wasn't having that, so we had to make a move around him and put the yelps to him again.
He couldn't handle it, could he?
Couldn't handle it the second time.
Had to come give her a look.
Curiosity killed the cat.
I know, guys, we all realize it's the last one, but standing over this turkey, I couldn't help but just almost get emotional.
It's been fun, dude. Well, we started this thing out last week in March, and we've been rolling ever since.
We've chased it till now.
Yep. We made it.
18th of May.
Yep. 3 days. 3 days more than what Georgia allows us.
It's been good.
It's been fun.
Couldn't ask for anything more.
Appreciate you fellers letting me tag along.
Oh yeah. Thanks for
Wouldn't have been the same without you.
coming along and shooting a little footage. We'll see what we got.
Letting me hold off. And say, hold on, wait.
Yeah. Yeah. That worked out, what, a couple times.
Yeah.
And then we just got down to where we had to get it done. But it worked out. We had
Still worked out.
Yep.
Overall, from the Georgia mountains to the Alabama creek bottoms to the Nebraska rolling hills and plains,
Kentucky, I made a stop in Kentucky. For a
Kentucky
few days.
hills, Wyoming mountains,
Can't forget North Kakalaki.
North Kakalaki mountains,
Yep.
all the way over here to the Kansas cornfields.
And it's been fun.
It has been a season to remember.
Spring 2022. Unreal.
Unbelievable.
Appreciate y'all for watching.
See you on the next one.
See you on the next one. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button while you're at it. Stick around for fall. We got some big things coming.
Big things.
I mean big.
Big.
These boys know. Big.
Yeah.
I mean huge things coming for the fall. So y'all definitely want to subscribe. Stick around. Check us out. Tell a friend. All the above.
Don't be afraid to get out there and go after it.
Yeah. Yeah, we're not professionals by any means.
No.
Anybody can do this. You can make it happen. It's all how bad you want it.
Get you a plane ticket. Go rent you a car.
Get you a couple buddies. Split everything 3 ways, 4 ways, 2 ways, however you got to do it. But
Go try it.
it can be done.
Yep.
So,
We're proof.
yeah, we're proof.
We're proof. I guess it's
22, 21, and 20.
Yep.
You can make it happen.
Time to go back home and start saving for next year.
That's right.
Get back to work. As bad as I don't want to.
Go crank a weed eater.
Yep.
Appreciate y'all. Catch you on the next one.